Hey guys, come with me as I unbox all the Christmas giveaways that I've got. Look. Okay, this one, the other one, and I have another one. So let's start first here. I think this one. So I don't know what is this, but I have an idea. Is it just me, or you're also like this one who doesn't want to ruin all the wrapper? I don't want to ruin the wrapper, but yeah, I have to. Like, I'm carefully tearing all the wraps because I don't want to start it like that. I'm like that. Kasi pwede pa ma-recycle. Char. Okay, so this is a keto. Keto. Yeah, this is very useful. I can use this. I have to ruin the wrap. I have no choice. So first I have the kettle. It's not electric. It's really a kettle, like the traditional one. This. Look at that. So thank you for this. This is very useful in my kitchen. So next, let's go here. Anyway, I got this from a party giveaways, and this was given by a friend. So I'm so excited what's inside. Oh, you know who you are. So thank you for this mini fan. Let's open this. Oh, I also have a mini fan which is colored pink, and I got a color pink one. Thank you. Right. This is also very useful. Thank you for this. You know who you are. And lastly, this one, which I'm super excited. I got this from our exchange gift party. And I don't know what's inside, but it's kind of, there's a fabric inside, I know. So maybe this is a towel or what? So let's go. So we have this exchange gift thingy, which is super just, cheap, and it's just for fun. We only have this 300 pesos limit, so I really want to know what's inside this, and I'm super excited. So let's go. Oh, the ribbon is so pretty. Look at that. Sorry, ribbon. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm almost there. Okay. There's a fabric inside, I told you. So maybe this is a towel, a blanket, or whatever. So let's just open it. And I don't know where this gift came from. This is just a random exchange gift. This is not manita manito. So we put our gifts on the table, and then the in charge will number those gifts. And then there's this bowl where we pick a number, and then whatever number you pick, that's already your gift. So if you pick your own number, then you have to pick another one, something like that. So yeah, I told you, this is a towel, and it's color white. And yeah, the quality is good, the fabric is good, so yeah, it's worth it. So thank you for this. That's all. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas.